Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naadia and I got engaged this past September, and you have entered the Wedding Wednesday wedding series. So today's video is all about the dress. It's gonna be my dress experience. It's gonna be kind of like a chit-chatty video as well as like a vlog. And to kind of further explain that, I, like I'm sure a bunch of other brides, did not find my dress on the first try, but I did film that day because it was really special, because I had my mom, my aunt, my mother-in-law, one of my bridesmaids with me. So it was a fun time. It was fun and also surprisingly stressful. I don't think I went into it thinking it was going to be overwhelming, but I definitely was overwhelmed, which I will talk about towards the end of the video. But yeah, I did film that day and didn't find the dress. And then the day I found the dress, I didn't film because I didn't think I was going to find the dress that day, if that makes sense. So I'm going to roll the clips I have from my first time trying on dresses, and then I'll come back and kind of explain how I found the dress and all that jazz. So here's the clips. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very, very, very exciting day. I say that every time I start a vlog, but for real, today is super exciting. Today is round one. I say round one because I don't know if I'm gonna find my dress on the first try, but we are dress shopping today and I am super hyped. So, partner in crime, per usual. He's not going dress shopping with us, but my mom and my aunt came in town for the occasion. Yes, I know I'm spoiled, but we are about to go have some breakfast and then we're gonna head to our first appointment at 11:30. So stay tuned and fingers crossed I find my dream dress today. Also, I always forget to say this, my name's Naadia if you're new to this channel, and if you have not done so, hit the subscribe button and join the ride. We have a year full of fun activities like wedding related, and then obviously like regular vlogs, real estate, all that jazz, so travel, all that stuff. So stay tuned. Alright, so we have officially finished with our first dress shop, and I wasn't impressed, but I'm going to stay positive. I've got all my people here, bridesmaid, my mom, my aunt. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. No one say hi. Hey! They're like talking about food and drinks. We are at Gloria's right now just to get a little snack and cocktail before our next appointment at 2:30. And so fingers crossed that I see more dresses that are like my style. So yeah, but I will say I went to Blushing Bride in Frisco, and my like bridal attendant who was helping me out, she was super, super sweet. So I would definitely recommend going there. And I didn't get to put her on camera, but Xavier's mom came. So yeah, I have all my peoples here and I feel so special and awesome. Ooh, more chips. They're coming.
Yes. Chips.
More chips.
Thank you.
I need more chips. Yeah, more chips.
We do need more chips to help you dip.
I've got a pomegranate mimosa.
This is actually very good. Have you tried
And I'll
You
be
know.
right back with some extra plates, okay?
Thank you.
Cheers. Oh, that's really good.
And the
Yeah.
deeper you go, you get more pomegranate.
Yeah, super good.
I think I'm actually happy with that.
Perfect. Well, anyway, guys, so I will check you at the next salon, and like I said, fingers crossed that this is the one.
And I said if she's brave enough, because it's a skirt under, and you can take the skirt down.
She said some brides wear it without the skirt under.
Oh, I can't see that now.
Oh.
I can't even imagine
Honestly,
that.
the only
That's what she said, so
No, we don't want that. We want a classic.
That's pretty, Naadia.
I really like this. The only thing I would change is if I could cut
back.
Well, okay, we're on to something.
She. This is actually.
Huh?
This one is actually. I like her.
That's what you're looking for. You stay true to your nude at the bottom. Am I taking pictures of that? Yeah. No?
Okay, so that was my first time trying on dresses. That was like my experience. I definitely was slacking in the vlogging department, and let me tell you, it was because the moment I got to the first shop, I was like pretty overwhelmed. Number one, I had a bridal attendant who was essentially new. I think she had been there, I think she told me like a month. She was very sweet, but I don't think she understood what I was looking for, to be honest. And then the other thing that I didn't anticipate was that like all of these dresses are like sample size. And I'm not a big girl, and I was like having trouble like getting in these dresses, or they were just way too big for me. Nothing like fit me like exact, which I went into that knowing, but to have dresses that are like swallowing you, or you can't even get like a thigh in it, is like frustrating in itself, and that takes quite a bit of the appointment, just trying to like get in the dresses. And then all of the dresses from the first shop all had super duper heavy beading. I want something just really light and unique, and I didn't find that at that dress shop. So I think after that first shop, I left feeling really like deflated, and I was just super overwhelmed, and I was kind of scared that the second shop would be like that. But of course, I had the genius decision to go get cocktails and a little snacky poo between our appointments. So the cocktails really helped, I think, loosen me up, honestly. And the second shop was more of a boutique shop, and they had a lot, they had a smaller selection, but the selection that they did have was super duper unique, and I really, really liked that. Now, a little backstory. I had been in contact with the owner of this store. She owns one in Houston and then one in Dallas. Well, Dallas-Fort Worth area, I should say. And there were a few dresses on her Instagram. I was like, oh my gosh, I really, really like this. And she let me know that basically those dresses were in Houston, and like once a month or once every couple months, they kind of switch inventory. And so yeah, keep that in mind. So after this appointment at the second shop, I was feeling a lot better. You could see like I was a lot happier. Not that I posted a lot from the first shop, but in the second second round of clips from the second shop, I was a lot happier. Liquid courage, but also I really did like the dresses and the selection there a lot more. So yeah, so after that, I couldn't make a decision. Nothing was like wowing me. I didn't get the feeling or anything like that, but I did message I messaged the owner from the shop and let her know, like, whenever you decide to switch inventories from the Houston location, I would love to try on X, Y, and Z of these dresses. So she was like, say less, like, if I bring these dresses to you, can you make a decision? I was like, whoa. I was like, I'm not gonna commit to making a decision, but I think it could definitely help move me into making a decision. So I think my family was out here like that weekend, so maybe like Friday to Sunday. She was like, how does Wednesday sound? I was like, baby girl, yes, Wednesday's great. So I picked the earliest appointment, literally, which was as soon as they opened, which was really nice because when I got there, the shop was completely empty and I had it to myself. And I didn't have to rush. I didn't have like a timed appointment because a lot of these bridal appointments are like 90 minutes, I believe. So it was super duper nice to just have the place to myself. And my sister-in-law came, which was really nice because She worked the day I went dress shopping the first time. And so it was nice to have her there for that experience. Like I said, I didn't vlog because I honestly wasn't 100% convinced I was gonna find the dress. I just knew I really wanted to try them on. Do y'all hear this growling? That is Crew. That's really disrespectful. And I raised you better. Anyway, so the dress that I was dying to try on, she brought it out and I was like, that don't look like the dress. And she explained to me, she's like, lighting, all this other stuff obviously plays a role in the pictures that they post on Instagram. But I still really liked it. So I tried it on and I was like, oh, this is very similar to another dress that I wanted, which was like, I think like $15,000 or $16,000. And I was like, that is a little absurd for a dress I'm gonna wear one day. I mean, I know it's your wedding, you only get married once, but I'm like, that's a little extreme. But the dress really reminded me of it. And I was like, I think if I can take this, add this, do that. I think it was the perfect base for the dress that I was like after, you know, my dream dress. It was like the perfect place to start. And then I tried on a few other dresses that day that she brought from Houston, and I really liked all of them, but I kept going back to that first dress, and I'm like, I really think I could make this work. I think I can make it very similar, if not better, to the other dress. And so as I like showed her what I had in mind, she was basically, oh yeah, this is like completely customizable. She was like, also like, the way you're shaped, like it's gonna have to be custom made for you anyway. Crew, can you please move? Thank you, I appreciate it. It's gonna have to be completely custom made because, spoiler alert, my hips, she was like, your hips are over double than what your waist is, which is like snatched, but also problematic because she was like, you're not gonna fit any of the sample sizes, even if, like, you won't fit like a size 4, 6, 8, and then they bring it in. She's like, it's not gonna look right. So they did custom measurements, and they're gonna make the dress from scratch. So she was like, because they're gonna have to do this, you can basically alter, take away, add anything you want. So we went to work. I took a bunch of stuff off. I added some things. So I think it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be great. Now, did I get the feeling? The answer is no, because for me, very Virgo-like, it was like a logical decision in a sense. It was like, I know, like I said, this is a good place to start for what I want. So I'm happy with the decision I made. I'm not gonna know how it's really gonna look until, I think she said April or May, which is great because that'll give me plenty of time if I wanna make changes to the dress before the wedding day. But yeah, I think it's gonna turn out great. But I didn't have that like feeling just because I didn't have the dress that I'm gonna be wearing on my wedding day on, if that makes sense. But yeah, that was my experience. Any tips for like future brides is to be patient and don't rush and make decisions based on like other people's reactions, and order your dress in plenty of time. Like I said, I got engaged in September. I went dress shopping like the first week of November, and the dress is not going to be here until April or May. Yeah, and that was actually advice from my mom. She got married pre-pandemic, and her dress took like 8 months, and they were calling that like a rush order. So I think that's insane, but do what you can early so you don't have to stress about it later. And then it also gives you time to make alterations. Like if you want to get more sniggity snatched, or you just want to like add stuff, take away stuff, it gives you plenty of time to do that. So anyway, I feel like I've been rambling for, let's see, 8 minutes and 57 seconds. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are loving all the wedding content, stay tuned. We got some more stuff coming up. I'm actually going to be filming all this weekend because we're doing our engagement shoot, and I'm so excited. Stay tuned. I'm excited. But anyway, yeah, if you guys haven't done so and if you've made it this far in the video, just go ahead and subscribe. Just do that for me, okay? I appreciate it, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.